So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can import your wallet into your Trust Wallet account. So guys, if you have a wallet and you want to transfer it to your Trust Wallet app, then this video is for you. So guys, in order to do so, all you need to do is first of all add Trust Wallet to your extensions. You can find your extensions right here, and now just go ahead and be on this website right here. Once you tap on the extension, you'll be in this page, and now you can see this many options. It says welcome to the Trust Wallet extension. You can choose to either create a new wallet and start fresh, or if you have a wallet and you want to connect it or import it here, just go ahead and tap here. And now all you need to do is set a password. Then once you do, just agree to the terms of service and tap on next. So guys, in order to import it, you should choose 12-word secret phrases right here. If you have a 24-word secret phrase, then you can also choose to do that. This is to make sure your wallet is being safe and is in good hands. So guys, just go ahead and type in your 12-word secret phrase, and then you will successfully be able to import your wallet to Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.